Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to submit a feedback in the HERE WeGo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then drag the section at the bottom of the page up to see more functions. And at the account and settings section, click on the give feedback button. And as you can see, you can give the application a score based on how much you liked it. So if you did not like the application at all, then you can just rank it down. But if you liked it, then you can also give a high score. And if you want, you can leave a written response as well, if there's anything that you think would be useful to add. And then you have to provide your email address, so they can contact you in the future. And once you've done that, just click on the send feedback button, and yeah, your feedback is submitted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.